SpongeBob, listen to me very carefully, SpongeBob. Don't tell Mr. Krabs I'm going on a date with his dog.
Oh, Squidward, you are in so much trouble.
SpongeBob, just listen to me. If Mr. Krabs asks you where I'm at, just tell him that I went home because I was sick, okay, SpongeBob?
Oh, don't worry, Squidward. I promise you I would never tell Mr. Krabs.
Squidward! Squidward! SpongeBob, where's Squidward?
Mr. Krabs, apparently, Squidward didn't want me to tell you, but I'll tell you anyway. He's going out with your daughter, Pearl, tonight, Mr. Krabs.
SpongeBob, are you being serious right now? Please tell me you're joking, SpongeBob!
I'm sorry, Mr. Krabs, but I'm being serious.
SpongeBob, prepare for a funeral today!
Yeah, Pearl, your father would never know.
Squidward! Wait, what the? Ah! Oh, no! Oh! Oh my God! Oh, no! No! Oh my God! No! No! Daddy, stop! Shut up, Pearl! What did I tell you about messing with my daughter, Squidward?
Mr. Krabs, how did you find me?
Well, she looks like SpongeBob loves me more than you! Damn it, SpongeBob! Oh! 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 Now say you're sorry, Squidward!
For what? It's not my problem your daughter is